Everybody is looking for ways to upgrade their home without breaking the bank. What's something people don't know about? The secret weapon called ChatGPT. Imagine having a super smart assistant that guides you through every nail and nut of your home renovation projects. That's exactly what the ebook How to Leverage ChatGPT for Home Improvement Projects offers. It's not just a guide, it's your personal consultant in digital form. Starting off, ChatGPT helps you nail the planning stage, assessing feasibility, scheduling, picking the right materials, budgeting, check, check, and check. It even helps you understand all that tricky construction lingo. Now think design. Want a modern rustic kitchen or a minimalist bathroom? Just describe your vision and voila. ChatGPT suggests the best color schemes, materials, and fixtures, and can even whip up 3D visualizations to see how it all looks together. And when it's time to get down to business, ChatGPT provides step-by-step instructions tailored just for you, ensuring you don't miss a beat. Safety tips, gear recommendations, it's all covered. The best part? It creates a custom maintenance schedule to keep your upgrades looking fresh for years. Remember, it's about using this AI wizard alongside your skills to transform your home like a pro. So, ready to make your DIY dreams a reality? Let's get started with ChatGPT as your guide. Click the link below to purchase your copy of How to Leverage ChatGPT for Home Improvement Projects and start transforming your home today.